Embark on an unforgettable journey to Aotearoa, New Zealand, where science meets adventure in one of the most breathtaking environments on Earth. Join the University of Waikato's 6-week Marine Science for Conservation course, designed for science students passionate about conservation and our natural environment. Experience New Zealand's vibrant culture from its Indigenous Māori heritage to its contemporary way of life.
Learn from leading experts through a combination of field trips, hands-on laboratory work and seminars that explore marine conservation from ecological, economic and cultural perspectives.
I think I can safely say this is the most beautiful country I've ever been to. Just in nature, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Seeing the rolling hills, the beautiful beaches, Coromandel, Hobbiton, it's just been absolutely awesome. I feel like in America, we don't really get taught much about our native culture and the Native Americans and people like that. And here, it just really sticks out to me how integrated the Maori culture is within your day-to-day life. Everything you see around you, even this whole university, was designed with Maori integration, and I think that's really, really special, and it's something that really stuck out to me. It's taught me to love the area that I'm from and the area here just as much as the people who came here, so I think that's really, really special. It's a very different approach to education than we have in the States, but it's something that has allowed me to be immersed culturally and educationally in a completely new light.
And when I was talking to my study abroad advisor about how I wanted to find something marine science related, she gave me a pamphlet for this program, and it was the perfect fit. And here I am. We are very spoiled at the Mount Maunganui holiday park. Yeah, cool. It's such a great campsite to live in. And it's we're right on the beach, and sunrise is at 7:30, and we could just wake up and see that beautiful sunrise. It's really pretty, and being right by the mount, some of us would walk up the summit of it. And yeah, it's really pretty, and the Bay of Plenty is such a cool place to live.
I'm going to take away a deeper understanding of data science and research, and also just an appreciation for the complex systems that are underpinning marine spatial planning, all this sort of stuff that's absolutely essential to keep the environment in good shape. I've been running up the mountain pretty much every day that I've been here. It is amazing. It's one of a kind. Getting to see the sunrise over the ocean is very unique. Can't do that in California. Tauranga is amazing as well. I've really enjoyed the food, and I've really enjoyed the walkable in the city. It's, we have our B cards, and we've been taking the buses everywhere, and it's been super nice.
You'll be based at our new Tauranga campus right in the heart of the Bay of Plenty and staying in Beach Rink having some beautiful Mount Maunganui. Join us in New Zealand and make a difference for the University of Waikato. Enroll in Marine Science for Conservation today.